Hello friends, welcome to the last part of the resistor presentation series. This part explains the standard values, non-ideal properties, failure mechanisms, selection and application of resistors. The topics for discussion in part 7 are standard resistor values, standard values of resistors for E24 series, non-ideal properties of resistors, equivalent circuit of resistor, skin effect of resistors, noise associated with resistors, the failure mechanism of resistors, selection of resistors, use of resistors in circuit, and resistor applications. Manufacturing resistors of every possible value is impractical. Instead, resistors are made in a restricted range of values. These restricted range of resistor values are arranged into a standard series known as the E series. The different values are spaced such that the top of the tolerance band of one value and the bottom of the tolerance band of the next value will not overlap. The E series consists of E3, E6, E12, E24, E48, E96 and E192 series. The number following the E specifies the number of logarithmic steps per decade. A higher number correlates to a lower tolerance and a higher precision. The tolerance of each series is indicated here. E12 means that every decade is divided in 12 steps. The size of every step is equal to 1.21. The E12 series values are shown here. The standard values of resistors for E24 series are given here. As the wires connected to the ends of a resistor generate a surrounding magnetic field, the resistor displays some inductive properties. Resistors are made of conducting materials and are usually located near other conductors. Together, these conductors act like the plates of a capacitor. Although the resistor's coating is a very good insulator, current can still flow in very small amounts across the surface of the resistor as a leakage current. This leakage resistance is represented by a parallel resistor. So the resistor can be modeled as a combination of these parasitic elements with ideal resistor. The equivalent circuit of a resistor is shown here with the combination of the parasitic capacitance Cp, parasitic inductance Ls and leakage resistance RL along with the ideal resistor R. For a DC source, the resistance of a conductor does not depend on frequency. For an AC source, the resistance depends on frequency. When an alternating current is passed through a conductor, only a small portion of the conductor carries the current. This portion is called the skin depth. As the frequency is increased, the skin depth decreases. Thus, at higher frequencies, AC resistance is higher. This phenomenon, skin depth, is prominent with very high frequencies. There are two main types of electrical noises associated with the resistors, the thermal noise and the current noise. Generally, these noises increases with resistance value. Thermal noise is due to the thermal agitations of the charge carriers. Current noise is a low frequency noise caused by the flow of charge carriers through the non-homogeneous material of the resistor. Resistor failures can be either a degradation of performance or the complete failure. For resistors, there are three main failure modes: electrical open, electrical short, and large changes in the resistance values. The contributing factors for these failures are listed below. They include electrical, mechanical, chemical, thermal, environmental, electrostatic discharge, and manufacturing defects. The resistor overload may be due to current, steady state voltage, and transient high voltage spikes. Continuous overload will tend to degrade the insulation resistance, which will lead to overheating and change the resistor parameters over time. Inappropriate mounting of resistors, vibration or shock, binding or sticking issues, mechanical wear, mechanical deformations, etc. will lead to resistance change and failure. Corrosion and other chemical reactions with the working environment is the main reason for chemical type failures of resistors. Damage to resistors due to overheating occurs when the average power delivered to it exceeds the resistor's power rating. Damage caused by electrostatic discharge is a latent defect that can be difficult to identify. Due to this, the resistor may be partially degraded. There will be permanent degradation of the resistor when exposed to environmental challenges like exposing to direct sunlight, rain, moisture, ambient temperature, humidity, sea breeze, dirt, dust, and other contaminations. Substrate cracks, solder joint cracks, cracks due to molding compound mechanisms, lead damage, contaminations, and foreign substances will permanently damage the resistor. There are other major manufacturing defects also, like improperly crimped resistor caps, seal leakage, etc., which can cause resistor failure. Deciding the resistor value in a circuit is an integral part of the circuit design process. First, we will calculate the required resistance by using Ohm's law. Second, we will estimate the power rating. Then we will select a resistor from the standard values of resistors which is closer and higher with the resistance and power rating values found by the previous steps. While selecting the resistors, identify the most important feature for the design circuit like value, power, tolerance, voltage, TCR, stability, cost, application, etc. Then prioritize that feature in the selection of the resistor. Select a resistor from the standard values of resistors which is closer and higher with the resistance value and power rating obtained with the design. Tolerance is another key selection parameter which depends on the acceptable deviation for the specific application. If the temperature is high and the power being dissipated remains high, then the resistor will become excessively hot and will be damaged. Some special applications require special types of resistors as specified here. When resistors are employed at high frequencies, the parasitics can have an impact. In this case, select a resistor structure offering less parasitic elements. With resistors using at high temperatures, the resistance drifts quite drastically. Select resistor with appropriate temperature coefficient to ensure that the operating temperature will not exceed the temperature range of the resistor. Make sure that all other important parameters of the selected resistor like voltage rating, frequency response, type of resistor, cost, physical size, type of mounting, etc. are suitable for the specific circuit and application. Resistors are mainly used in circuits for limiting and controlling current, to protect sensitive components, as voltage dividers, as current dividers, as sensors, as pull up and pull down elements, etc. In heating applications, resistors convert electrical energy to heat energy. Resistors are used in laboratories for the design, testing, and troubleshooting of various electrical and electronic circuits. They are used in the manufacturing of various electrical and electronics equipments. Apart from the circuit applications, resistors are the basic element in many instruments. Many domestic appliances like filament bulbs, hair dryers, electric kettle, electric heaters, electric iron use resistors to transfer electrical energy to light energy or heat energy. They are used in strain gauges and load banks. High power resistors are used in locomotives to safely convert kinetic energy of the vehicle to heat. Resistors are used as dimmer controls in automobiles and as neutral grounding resistors. Similarly, there are countless applications of the resistors in all fields like domestic, industrial, education, research, etc.